How to use Note tool in Photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, don't forget to watch our previous videos and tutorials for all the apps that we have. So let's get started with today's tutorial. The Note tool in Photopea has the same task as in Photoshop. It's just creating notes, mainly to help people in teams working on the same design. But unfortunately, in Photopea, there is no a direct note tool that's used to add notes to certain parts of the image or the picture. So you can't add a note to this part, for example, or this. The only way to use notes is by writing just some text on the right in the text panel. So we're gonna go to the window and click on notes and write the notes that you want, and then write the author, and now we have this note. If you didn't find the notes from the window, you can also go to the search icon here, click on it and write notes and choose notes, and here it is. Here are the notes. That's all. It's very simple and very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.